In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine images in Inkscape. Whether you're organizing several images so they move as one, or merging vector shapes into a single clean outline, I'll show you the right tools and when to use them. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's open, either create a new blank document or open an existing file where your artwork lives. This gives you a canvas to bring everything together. If your goal is to keep multiple images together while still preserving each one individually, you'll want to group them. Select the images or objects you want to work with, then go to the top menu, choose Object, and click Group. From now on, those items will behave like a single unit. You can move, scale, or rotate them together, which keeps your layout intact and saves time. Grouping is non-destructive, meaning each item stays editable. If you ever need to adjust one piece on its own, simply ungroup later and make your changes. This method is ideal for photos and other bitmap images, or any artwork you don't want to permanently merge. Now, there's a different approach when you need your shapes to become one continuous piece. If your images are actually vector shapes, such as SVG objects drawn with Inkscape's tools or imported as vector art, and you want to remove overlapping edges so the result is a single outline, use Union. First, select the shapes you want to combine and make sure they overlap or at least touch. Union only merges areas that connect. With the shapes selected, go to the Path menu and click Union. In an instant, Inkscape fuses them into a single path that takes on the current fill and stroke. This is perfect for clean silhouettes, logo refinement, or preparing designs for cutting and engraving where overlapping lines can cause issues. A couple of quick tips for reliable results. Union works on vector paths, not on photos or other bitmap images. If you're working with photos, stick with Group. Arrange and align your shapes before applying Union to control the final outline. And if the outcome isn't what you expected, don't worry. Use Undo to step back and try a different arrangement. To recap the workflow, launch Inkscape. Open or create your document. Use Object then Group when you want several items to move or scale together without merging them. And when you're dealing with overlapping vector shapes that need to become one seamless object, select them, go to Path, and choose Union. Save your work, and you're all set.